Imagine a computer that learns like a child, not from explicit instructions, but from trial and error. Picture a machine that explores its surroundings, makes mistakes and learns from them, just like a curious child discovering the world. This is the essence of reinforcement learning, a method inspired by the way humans and animals learn through experience. It's a powerful paradigm where machines learn by interacting with their environment, constantly adapting and improving. They take actions, observe the outcomes, and adjust their behavior to maximize rewards, much like how we learn from our successes and failures. Reinforcement learning is revolutionizing the way we build intelligent systems, enabling them to tackle tasks that were once thought impossible. It allows us to create machines that can solve complex problems without being explicitly programmed for every scenario, making them more versatile and efficient. From self-driving cars navigating busy streets to personalized medicine tailored to individual needs, the possibilities are limitless and exciting. Picture a playful puppy learning a new trick. Imagine the excitement and curiosity in its eyes as it explores the world around it, eager to understand what is expected of it. We don't hand the puppy a manual on how to fetch. Instead, we guide it through actions and responses, creating a learning environment. Instead, we use positive reinforcement. This means rewarding the puppy for the correct behavior, making it more likely to repeat that action. When the puppy brings back the ball, we shower it with praise and treats. This positive feedback helps the puppy understand that fetching the ball is a desirable action. Conversely, if the puppy chases butterflies instead, it receives no reward. This lack of reinforcement teaches the puppy that not all actions are beneficial. Through this process of trial and error, the puppy learns to associate the action of fetching with positive rewards. It begins to understand the connection between its actions and the outcomes. This is analogous to how reinforcement learning works. Just like the puppy, an agent learns from its environment through feedback. An agent, like our puppy, interacts with its environment, the backyard. It explores, takes actions, and learns from the consequences. It takes actions like fetching or chasing butterflies and receives rewards, such as treats or the lack thereof. These rewards shape its future behavior. Over time, the agent learns to choose actions that maximize its cumulative reward, effectively mastering the desired behavior. This gradual improvement is the essence of learning. This simple yet powerful principle underpins the magic of reinforcement learning. It shows how consistent feedback and rewards can shape behavior over time, leading to mastery. Reinforcement learning in its purest form is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to behave in an environment by performing actions and seeing the results. The agent's goal is to maximize its cumulative reward over time. This is achieved by learning a policy, which is essentially a strategy for choosing actions in different situations. The policy is refined over many trials, with the agent learning from its mistakes and successes. Comparing learning styles. Let's break it down and explore the different methods used in machine learning. Supervised learning. This involves learning from labeled data to make predictions. Essentially, the model is trained on a dataset that includes both the input and the desired output. For example, training an image classifier on a dataset of labeled images. The model learns to identify and categorize new images based on this training. Unsupervised learning. This type of learning focuses on finding patterns and structures in unlabeled data. Unlike supervised learning, there are no predefined labels. A good example would be clustering customers into groups based on their purchasing behavior. This helps in identifying different segments within a dataset. Reinforcement learning. Here, the learning happens by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards. The model learns to make decisions by trial and error. Think about training a robot to navigate a maze by rewarding it for reaching the goal. Over time, the robot improves its performance by learning from its experiences. Shaping the future with RL. The applications of reinforcement learning are far-reaching and transformative. In robotics, RL is enabling the development of robots that can perform complex tasks in unstructured environments, from autonomous navigation to delicate surgical procedures. In the realm of game playing, RL has achieved superhuman performance in games like Go and chess, pushing the boundaries of strategic thinking. Moreover, RL is finding applications in healthcare, finance, and beyond, optimizing complex systems and driving innovation. A universe of possibilities. As we venture further into the 21st century, Reinforcement learning stands as a beacon of progress, illuminating the path toward a future brimming with intelligent machines. These machines, imbued with the power to learn and adapt, hold the key to solving some of humanity's most pressing challenges. The journey has just begun, and the cosmos of possibilities awaits our exploration.